Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders GPU crash. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and download the NVIDIA app and install it. After that, launch the app and go to Program Settings. Select Arc Raiders from the list, find the DLSS Override Models preset option, and open its settings. Choose the option to use the same settings, then from the drop-down select, use the 3D application settings. Avoid selecting the latest override option, then save the changes. If the issue continues, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right-click your integrated GPU and select Disable Device. After disabling it, launch Arc Raiders and ensure the game runs only in full screen mode. Avoid windowed or borderless modes as they may trigger the GPU crash error. So that's basically how you can fix Arc Raiders GPU crash. That's it for this video. Thanks.